Magbo-vlog kami. Kasama ko ang tagapag-video ay si Kiel.
Hi,
And my name is
Ashley Queen
Garota. And what is your name?
Kiel Andres Ignalig Ramos.
Very good. And so ngayon guys, ay samahan niyo kami magkonting vlog lang. Kasi, di bale ngayon, ayan o. Ang ganda ng araw. Siyan kami. Hi ka nga. Hi. So yan, ang ganda-ganda ng araw. Siyan, makalat lang aming bahay. So yan. Hawakan na muna. Safe. So ngayon ay magba-vlog kami. Magpa-prank kami. Bayag ka ba? Ipa-prank natin sila. Sila at si So yun. Ayun ang ipa-prank natin. So di bali ang ating
Slay.
ang ating pag-prank ay ganito. Kamay mo. Ganito tayo magpa-prank. Ganito. Ang ating pagpa-prank ay slay. Ang ating pag-prank ganito. Hindi natin sila papansinin. So di bali na sa baba sila. Diyan sila hanggang. Ayun sila. Ayan. Si Isabel. Ayun si Isabel. So, nandun sa baba si Sia. So, di ba ang gagawin natin ang ganito. Ang gagawin natin ganito. Ay, nakastop pala. Uy, nakastop. So, ngayon guys, ay ignoring prank kami. Diba? What is your name? Kiel Andres Ignalig Ramos. And what is your name? Sabel. What is your name? Sabel. What is your name? Isabel. Rafael. And my name is Ashley Queen Garota.
This fish is kind of a bit annoying.
What is your age?
It's 7. Ignore that I say 11.
Oh. And Isabel is 3 years old.
Bruh, she's
Three or 4?
3. Her birthday is kind of low. I mean high. Because her birthday is September 19.
20?
2020. Run. I cannot make it.
And my age is 10 years old.
Bruh, you so... What's your birthday?
August 2020. August 20, 2014.
Slay!
Slay.
Baby, I am
Slay. No, don't touch that. Okay. Let's set up our camera. Yan. Okay, di bale, itong camera na to ay itong camera na to. Kunyari, yan, nakaganto tayo, nakaganyan. Tapos kung saan yung camera, doon tayo. Kasi halimbawa, ikaw nakaganyan para makita ang itsura nila. 3, 2, 1, can you say hi guys? 3, 2, 1, go.
Hi guys!
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. I am with my bestie. It's Ashley Queen Dorota. She is here. Wait.
She's here.
Hi.
You not met her before, but
We met her now. So now, today this is we drawing a prank on Ainsley's sisters. But her sisters are a bit annoying, but we can deal about the prank. The prank is gonna be ignoring them, like there's only a ghost, and scaring them. At they distracted, you'll be hiding behind and jump scare them if they turn around. And so, wait. Okay, Ainsley, come here.
And this is a case of the iPad. Yan. O diba, ang laki niya na. Ito yung gamit namin ngayon. Ganyan kalaki. Oh my God, nawala. Yan, ganyan kalaki. Can you say hi, guys?
Hi guys. Subscribe if you love bunnies. Alright,
Ako ang kasama ni Kiel Andres ng vlog dahil ignoring prank. Di bale ang gagawin namin? Siyempre ignoring, hindi papansin. Hindi pa.
Yes.
Ganon. Mag-subscribe kayo kung ganito ugali ninyo.
If you do this before. If you
Okay.
don't subscribe, I will in your bed tonight.
So yan, nandito na sila. Nandito na sila guys. Nandito na sila. Pinatabi ko lang itong camera dahil baka mahalataan yung camera. Come here, Kiel Andres. Itatago ko lang itong camera like ganyan kasi baka biglang dumating sila.
Okay.
Kasi nandiyan na sila sa labas ng bahay natin.
Yes. Yes, girl.
Wait. So, what? Oh my God, nandito na sila guys.
Okay.
So ngayon guys, nagtabo na lang kami sa kumot dahil, oh my God, naglalaro pala sila tapos biglang, God, oh my God, dito lang kami pinansin. Di ba, nagtago na lang kami sa room namin. Kasi, oh my God, ang creepy. So creepy face on my sister. Oh! Nagtago na lang. Nagtago.
Oh no, they're here. I heard the footsteps. Wait a minute.
What?
So guys, Ainsley just go to the downstairs and she's coming back now because okay, she's coming back. I in the room because I saw Zaya and Ainsley. Okay, she's here. Finally, she's here.
Oh my God. Wala na sila. Oh my God. Wala na sila guys. Lumabas na lang muna kami ng room namin. So yan, dyan sila galing. Oh my God. Dyan sila umupo. Hinintay kami lumabas. And bumaba sila.
Yeah.
And she's put them in a picture of
version of
my sister.
like that.
put them
And
and
let's do the prank now.
put them and put them
That's
in,
my mom's
uh,
rock.
mom's sister. Oh my God. Oh my God. Itong prank na to, guys, hindi